Today I am discussing problems in page number 37. Look at the question. Half a number added to the number gives 111. What is the number? We have no idea about the number, so we use a variable to denote the number. Let us consider the number to be equal to x. Then half of the number will be equal to x by 2. Okay, let the number be equal to x. Now come to condition half a number. So we can write it as half of the number. Half the number added to the number. The number is x. Added to the number gives you 111. Now add x to half x. What do you get? 1 plus half gives you 1 and half. 1 and half is a mixed fraction. We can write it as an improper fraction as 3 by 2. 1 and half is equal to 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3. So you get 3 by 2. So I can write 3 by 2x is equal to 111. What is the next step? This multiplication when taken to the other side becomes division. So I can write x is equal to 111 into this 3 by 2 then taken to the other side becomes 2 by 3. So you get 2 divided by 3. Now you can cancel 3 with 111. 1 3 is 3. Here 3 3s are 9. 2 balance. 7 3s are 21. So what is the number? 37 into 2 gives you 74. So the number we talk about is equal to 74. Come to the next question. Look at the second question. Here the answer of a bird is given. When asked about how many of you are here, a bird replied, we and us again, and half of us and half of that with one more would make 100. How many birds were there? So to find the answer for this question, we are going to consider v to be equal to x. Okay. Again come to the condition we and us again. So you have to add x and x again. Okay. So we and us again with half of us. So what do you take? Half of x you have to take. So I can write it as x by 2 plus and half of that. That is, we have to take half of x by 2. What is half of x by 2? We can say it as x by 4. X by 4 with one more. So you add 1 gives you would make 100. So let us write 100 here. Hope the idea is clear. I will explain once again. X represents v and us again. Again I have added x. Half of that. I took it as x by 2. Half of that. That is half of x by 2, which is x by 4. And one more plus 1 gives you 100. Now add all this. Okay. 1x plus 1x gives you 2x. 2x plus half x. 2 and half x. 2 and half plus 1 by 4 gives you 2 3 by 4. So you get 2 3 by 4 x plus 1 equal to 100. Let us convert this into a improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So you get 11 by 4x is equal to 100 minus 1, which is equal to 99. Now in the next step, what happens? This fraction 11 by 4 when taken to the other side becomes 4 by 11. So the answer is x is equal to 99 into 4 by 11. 1 11 is 11, 9 11s are 99. So the number of birds is equal to 36. Look at the third question. Question is in page number 41. First question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 80 meter and length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. What are its length and breadth? We know perimeter of a rectangle to be equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 80 meter. Now in the next step, what you can do? We can write L plus B. Okay, so we can write L plus B is equal to 80 divided by 2, because this 2 is taken to the other side of the equal to sign. You get 40. Now look at the condition given. Length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So we can write length to be equal to 1 meter more than. So use a plus sign. 1 meter more than twice the breadth. We know twice breadth is equal to 2b. What is your next step? Now instead of this L, you can substitute it as 2b plus 1. So this equation can be written as 2b plus 1 plus this b equal to 40. 2b added to b gives you 3b. So you get 3b is equal to 40 plus 1 taken to the other side becomes minus 1. So you get 3b equal to 39. So what is b equal to? 39 divided by 3. That gives you 13. So we can say breadth is equal to 13 meter. Now how do you get the length? We know length is equal to 2b plus 1. So we can write L is equal to 2 into 13 plus 1. We know 2 13s are 26. 26 plus 1 gives you 27 meter. Look at one more question, children. From a point on a line, another line is to be drawn such that angle on one side is 50 degree more than angle on the other side. How much is the smaller angle? To explain it, I have drawn a figure. Okay, I have drawn a line. From a point on a line, I have drawn another line. Now what is the condition given? Angle on one side is 50 degree more than angle on the other side. So I took one angle to be equal to x. Therefore the other angle will be equal to x plus 50. So I can take this angle to be equal to x plus 50 degree. Do you understand? Now what do you know about these two angles? The two angles here form a linear pair. The sum of angles in a linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So you can write x plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degree. X plus x gives you 2x. So you can write 2x is equal to 180 plus 50 taken to the other side becomes minus 50. So you get 2x is equal to 130 degree. That means x is equal to 130 divided by 2. That is equal to 65 degree. So the two angles are, one angle is 65 degree, the other angle is 65 plus 15. So you will get 115 degree. Is it clear, children? Share all your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.